Hello, and welcome to another update video on Chainlink remains in a difficult position here because we have started a wave 2 pullback in August. At least based on this yellow scenario, it could be a wave 2 pullback. It needs to hold the $13.30 level, this structure. And from there, a rally could start, at least from this support area. And I can view this pullback as a wave 2 as long as we are holding $13.30 below that level. It becomes more probable that we're going to re-enter the lower support region, which is the main bull market support area. We've been talking about it quite a lot. And honestly, the market has found some really good support in that area. And I can tell you that the correction that formed here on the 10th of October on some exchanges, it took actually the price down into that lower support region. But for now here on the link chart, on the Coinbase chart, upper support held. So it's like we don't have to change the wave structure until we actually break below 1330. But we need to be mindful that on some exchanges, it already broke. So it's something to keep in mind. I'm still, I can still not identify any sign that a low is in. But it's important to understand what the next upside breakout points are. What are the signals that tell us that we've bottomed in this wave 2. So let's switch to the shorter time frame. And here you can see the immediate resistance. I mean, I have to say, I'm not convinced that wave 2 is already in and has bottomed, but it's a very complex WX, Y, X, Z structure where the last X wave was a triangle. I mean, it's super complex. And I mean, do you trust structures like these? I mean, I don't trust it a bit, but it's about understanding what is key support, and it's at 1330. A decisive break below that level is too deep for a wave 2, so we would then view it as too deep for a corrective pullback in an uptrend. And as long as we're holding it, we can watch for an upside breakout. Doesn't mean that we expect it necessarily, doesn't mean that we can predict it, but I'm watching for it. Okay, that means we are ready for it. And then it's important to understand what are the levels that now need to be broken to indicate that a local uptrend is unfolding, that indicate that the bulls are starting to take the lead. And that is here this resistance cluster between $15.06 and $16.76. This is a micro resistance zone. Any break above it opens the door to the next key level above at $17.70, and then the yellow trend line above around $20. And $20 to $21. So, in that area, depends on when we hit it. So I don't really have, this is already a micro count. There isn't really much we can do here. Honestly, it could turn around at any point. It wouldn't be a surprise if it happens from here, but we still need to see some kind of a signal first. And as I said, the resistance levels tell us what those signals are. For now, they're not showing up yet. The bulls are not showing up yet. But please be aware what the first resistance area is. And a break above 1676, followed by a break above 1765, could be an indication that we're starting a third wave rally. For now, though, I think it's important to be careful. There's still a catching the falling knife situation. I'll keep you updated. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.